This is the time when your holiday credit card bills come circling back around at you. And it can be very stressful. I know, I've been there, done that. If you're tired of juggling bills and scrambling to make ends meet, I can help. I can even help you find more money this year so that paying and tracking your bills is not so overwhelming. Let's face it, every year during the holiday celebrations, most of us have family and friends who we really want to buy a special gift for. Every little something special present adds up. And if you participated in this gift-giving ritual last year, you might be facing a larger-than-life bill right now. Not only are the special gifts circling back around, but also the more than usual restaurant bills for all those let's get together meals over the holidays. They're adding up, and with interest. Heck, I was astounded myself by the cost of a single bag of pecans I needed to make my favorite holiday cookies last year. For those of you who have moved away from your hometown, you might also be facing additional travel expenses. Last year, when my 96-year young father was still here, he certainly was not going to fly from Florida to California over the holiday to see me, and I definitely wanted to go see him. So that was just another expense, right? Little by little, all of these expenses add up, and now it's probably time to pay. There is a proven way to find money and save money, which can help you handle bills in ways you might not have yet even considered. As a board-certified professional organizer, I help clients get their lives organized and simplified. And when we work together, 95% of the time we also find money. Bare minimum, we always end up saving at least a couple of $100s. This I guarantee. If you're intrigued, click this link to learn how I've helped clients save $200 to $1,000 each month. I will see you in the Financial Organizing Masterclass. So go ahead and get a fresh start with your money beginning with this new year. You too can have 2020 vision when it comes to saving money. Click the link to check it out. Let's make this your best year ever.